Welcome everyone. Today we're going on an exciting journey into the world of religion. Just like when we look up at the night sky and see all those stars and planets, here on Earth we have another amazing universe, the universe of faith and belief. We'll explore what scholars want to achieve when they try to understand this fascinating thing called religion. So, how do we even start talking about something as big and different as religion? It's a question that has puzzled humanity for centuries. Religion is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that touches every aspect of human life. It's a bit like trying to explain the whole universe. Just as the universe is vast and filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies, religion is filled with diverse beliefs, practices, and traditions. You can't just say, it's big and has stars. Similarly, you can't just say religion is about gods and rituals. There's so much more to it. You need to talk about how it works, how it changes, and all the amazing things inside it. Religion evolves over time, influenced by culture, history, and human experiences. That's what scholars of religion do. They delve deep into the study of religious texts, rituals, and beliefs to understand the essence of religion. They look for things that connect different beliefs, like a common thread. This common thread can be values, ethics, or even shared stories and myths. They look at history, culture, and how religion shows up in different places. From ancient temples to modern-day churches, religion is everywhere. It's a real adventure, and you'll be surprised by what they find. The journey of exploring religion is filled with discoveries that can change our understanding of the world and ourselves. Imagine our early ancestors looking up at the night sky. They were filled with wonder and curiosity, gazing at the vast expanse above them. They saw the same moon and stars that we see today, but they didn't have telescopes or the scientific knowledge we possess now. Instead, they relied on their imagination and intuition. They had big questions like, where did we come from? And what happens after we die? These questions were universal and timeless, echoing through the ages. Religion, in a way, was their way of answering these profound questions. It provided a framework for understanding the mysteries of existence and the cosmos. It helped them understand the world and find meaning in life. Through shared beliefs and rituals, communities were able to bond and support each other. Scholars today study how these early beliefs started and how things like nature and society affected them. They analyze ancient texts, cave paintings, and artifacts to piece together the origins of human belief systems. Let's talk about rituals. Think of them like the language of religion. They're the things people do, like ceremonies and prayers, that show their beliefs. Things like baptisms or going on a pilgrimage are not just simple actions. They're powerful symbols that connect people to something bigger than themselves. Scholars study how these rituals started, how they're different in different cultures, and how they bring people together. A universe of faiths comparing religions. Imagine comparing a black hole to a bright star. Both are amazing and part of space, but very different. Comparing religions is similar. Each one is special, with its own beliefs and traditions. But by looking at them together, we can see connections, and even where they might have come from. We can see how beautiful and different all the religions are, and understand our own beliefs better. Religion and society, an unbreakable bond. Religion isn't separate from the world. It's a part of everything. Think about how religion has affected art, music, and stories. Think about laws and how we live together. Religion has shaped these things. Scholars study how religion and society affect each other, how religion can bring people together or sometimes cause problems. They look at how religion has shaped our history. The inner universe, psychology and religion. We've looked at the universe outside, but what about our minds? Religion affects how we think, feel, and act. It helps us understand our place in the world, deal with tough times, and find hope. Scholars study how religion works in our brains and minds. They look at what belief is, why faith is powerful, and how religion changes how we see the world. Religion in the modern world. a constant evolution. The universe is always growing and changing, and so is religion. Today, religion faces things like globalization, science, and technology. How do old beliefs fit in a world where news travels so fast? How do religious communities manage in a global society? These are some of the things scholars are studying. Critical lens. Examining religious claims. Studying religion doesn't mean you can't question things. In fact, it's important to think critically. Scholars look at religious stories and ideas carefully, just like in any other subject. They look at the facts, think about other explanations, and question what they hear. This helps us understand what's true, the history behind beliefs, and how complex these things are. Objectivity and understanding, the scholarly approach. Imagine looking at a faraway galaxy through a dirty telescope. You wouldn't see it clearly, right? It's the same with studying religion. Our own ideas can stop us from seeing things clearly. So scholars try to be objective. They look at religion with an open mind, trying to understand it from the inside without judging. A tapestry of cultures, religious diversity. The amazing variety of beliefs is fascinating. From ancient traditions to the big religions, it's a colorful mix. Scholars try to understand this variety, to see what's similar and different between religions and how different cultures understand the world. Question everything. The importance of critical thinking. Critical thinking is our best tool for understanding the world. It helps us sort through information, see what's true, and form our own ideas. With religion, it's super important to ask questions, look at the evidence, and have respectful discussions. This helps us understand each other, be tolerant, and challenge old ideas. Building bridges interfaith dialogue. In a world with so many differences, talking between religions is really important. It's about creating places where people of different faiths can meet, share their beliefs, listen to each other, and become friends. Scholars help with these conversations by giving historical background and encouraging respectful communication. Talking openly helps us break down stereotypes and build a more peaceful world. Religion and global challenges. Seeking solutions. The problems our world faces, like climate change, poverty, and fighting, are complicated. Religion can help solve these problems. Scholars look at how religious beliefs can inspire us to protect the environment, fight for justice, and build peace. They look at how religious communities are working to make the world better. Preserving our past. Religious and cultural heritage. Just like scientists study old stars to understand the universe, scholars study the past to understand our beliefs. They protect old religious books, objects, and traditions so we don't lose them. By studying the past, we understand the present better and appreciate all the different religious experiences people have had. The search for meaning, religion, and the human condition. This chapter delves into the profound connection between religion and our quest for understanding the human experience. Studying religion is really about studying what it means to be human. It encompasses our deepest thoughts, emotions, and the ways we connect with each other and the world around us. It's about the big questions people have always asked. Why are we here? What is our purpose in this vast universe? These questions have been at the heart of human contemplation for centuries. What's the meaning of life? How do we find fulfillment and happiness? Religion often provides a framework for exploring these existential questions. Science tells us how the universe works, but religion gives us a sense of purpose, a moral compass, and a way to navigate the complexities of life. Ideas about right and wrong, the importance of community, and the value of compassion and empathy are often rooted in religious teachings. Religion also offers comfort in believing in something bigger than ourselves, providing solace in times of trouble and a sense of belonging. Scholars explore how religion gives meaning to our lives, examining its impact on culture, history, and individual well-being. Through their studies, we gain a deeper understanding of the human condition. Outro. Keep exploring the universe of belief. Thanks for joining me on this journey through religion. We've looked at its history, rituals, how it affects society, and how it shapes our lives. But this is just the start. The world of belief is huge and always changing. Stay curious and keep exploring.